Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro on your iPhone. And basically we have few options how to check it. The first one, on the iPhone we can add the widget. So to add the widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click edit at the left top and add widget. Now you should scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it. Click at the batteries, or you can use the search and you can write batteries here and then tap at the batteries line. Right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click at widget. And right here you can check the battery level anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. The problem is right here I have general battery level, not for the left and right earbuds. So we have also the second option is to use an application. You need to open QCY app. Your headphones should be connected with the phone and turn on, and then the application open for you headphones menu. And right here we have the battery level for the left and right earbuds, but not for the charging case. Even if I put these earbuds to the charging case, we haven't this information. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!